Teacher Geoffrey, I'm going to take you through a question on how to express a decimal into a fraction. Today we have a question like this one. Express 0.342 as a fraction in its simplest form. When you have a question like this, number one, you have to identify the recurring numbers in our case. We have 0.342. And these dots means that 4 and 2, they are the one which are recurring. Therefore, now you assume, now we let x to be 0.34242. You can write as many recurring decimals as you wish, because this number is too long. So at this point, we can let it up to that point. And if x is 0.342342, what about now 10x? And 10x is equivalent to our x we multiply by 10. And if we multiply this number by 10, we are going to get 3.4242. After now we have our 10x. We need also, if we find the difference between the two numbers, we need to get 0 after point. And that is only possible if after point we have similar numbers. If now we compare x and 10x, after point we have 3 and 10x we have 4, which means those numbers cannot give us a whole number. Now we proceed. What about now 100x? 100x, it is 100 times our x. And if we multiply our x times 100, we are going to get 34.2424. Again, we also need to compare. Is there any number after now we subtract from either 100 or 10x or the x, we can get a whole number. Still, we don't have that number. Then we proceed to now 1000x. And 1000x, it is our x times 1000. And that is equivalent to 342.4242. Now we compare these numbers. And there are two numbers. After now we find the difference, we can get a whole number. 1000x, after point we have 4. Also, our 10x, after point we have 4. And then the progression 424242, which means these two, if we find the difference, we are going to get a whole number. Now we take the two numbers. Therefore, we take 1000x, which is equivalent to 342.4242, minus 10x, which is equivalent to 3.4242. Now we find the difference. And this one, 1000x minus 10x, is equivalent to 990x, which is equivalent to 342 minus 3. That is equivalent to 339. Then 4242 minus 4242, that is 0. Then at this point, we need to find the value of x. So we are going to divide by 990. 990. Our x is now our 339 over 990. Then by 3 we are going to get 113 over 330. Therefore, it means that our fraction is now 113 over 330. So that is how we convert these decimals into fractions. Have a nice day. Thank you.